Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix undefined error occupied in Battlefield 6 with a simple step-by-step solution.
Fix 1. Restart the game and EA app. Step 1. Close Battlefield 6 completely. Step 2. Exit the EA app or Origin fully from the system tray. Step 3. Reopen the EA app and launch Battlefield 6. Step 4. Check if the error is gone. Fix 2. Check EA server status. Step 1. Visit EA Help Server Status. Step 2. Make sure Battlefield 6 servers are online. Step 3. If servers are down, wait until they are operational. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click on Battlefield 6 shortcut or EA app. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Launch the game and see if the error persists. Fix 4. Disable antivirus, firewall temporarily. Step 1. Temporarily turn off your antivirus or Windows firewall. Step 2. Launch Battlefield 6. Step 3. If the error is fixed, add Battlefield 6 and EA app to antivirus, firewall exceptions.